Can we delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can delete the Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. So let's just go ahead and find out within the video if we can do that or not. So first thing is heading over to Facebook itself. You can open up your Facebook first, and after you are logged in, you can head over to your profile page and open up the menu. From the menu, head over to the settings at the top, and from settings, you need to look out for the option called blocking. This one right here. And when you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding the block list right here. So if you want to delete the Facebook block list like you usually do by long pressing on other medias, in this Facebook, unfortunately, we don't have that option to delete the Facebook block list that is available under the block people without unblocking them. So the only method to delete the Facebook block list permanently without unblocking is unblocking them. So you can just go ahead and tap on this unblock option and unblock them, and you will be seeing your blocking list has been empty. So for now, this is the method we find out that we cannot actually delete the Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.